Welcome, Shelly Saenz-Haro here. It's time for us to put on our realtor hat and also to become a social butterfly. So now that we have this on, we're ready. We can go ahead. Today I'm going to go ahead and go over a tag here that I have in my Etsy store, and I want to invite realtors to shop around to see if this is something you'd be able to utilize as well. Let me get my glasses so I can cut here more precisely. And the link is actually, I'm going to provide the link as well so that you have access to it. And this one is Coffee and Your Referrals Coffee and Your Referrals Keep My Business Running. And so it's just really a cute little idea to share with your clients and to let them know you're a realtor and you'd be happy to help them. Which takes me to my next point. I'm in the DFW area, so if you have someone that you want to refer, you can send my way and we can get all the appropriate paperwork set up so that you get your commission, and I'd be happy to show them houses in the area. I specialize in residential. Okay, so here we have the tag. It's ready, and we're going to put a hole right here at the top center. And I have this cute little coffee cup. Now this you can buy over at IKEA, and I'm going to fill this up with this kind of candy. I found this at Dollar Tree, and it's a caramel toffee in keeping with the same theme. So I'm just going to fill this up here. Okay. And then let's go ahead and get a plastic bag to put it in. Now, I did find this at Kroger, and they sell like $75 for a really good price. And I'm going to put some of this confetti inside so it looks really cute. And then along with this cup, and you'll want to be sure, oh goodness, you want to be sure not to break it. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's just secure this better. Okay, and to put your business card in there as well. Oh, and what I like to do is include a tiny key and secure it in place here, and that way it's memorable. We'll put that in the cup, and now we are ready. So just gather this with the spin there, and let's see, what do we do with our tag? Here it is. And let's get some ribbon. Now, if you're not a realtor but you're in need of a realtor, I'll be happy to help you as well. And you can contact me, email me, or message me, and we can set up an appointment and we can discuss your needs. If you're in the market of wanting to buy, wanting to sell, we can talk about next steps. Be happy to help. Okay, so you can see here we're almost done with this bow, and it's secure. And this is a really cute way that you'd be able to share with your clients. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.